Here you can see that some amount is is deducted from this account, because from this address we have deployed our smart contract. So now follow the step. Now when you go to Ethereum scan and paste in your contract address, you will see that your contract now has 11 Ethereum. So now check it on Etherscan that our Ethereum will have. Okay. Okay, now our contract have the value, that amount 0.001. Got it? And here is the address from which there's the wallet from which we have deployed our smart contract. And now our smart contract have 0.001 ether. That's great. Now move on to the next section. uh, Before moving on, remember to update your front end, the new contract address and the new API file, otherwise it break. So let's do that again. Let's copy the contract address, then go to app.js, paste it here, then go to close all these files and go to artifacts folder. Inside that we got our API file, and just close it, and inside the React folder we will open the wave portal.json and control A and then control V and save. So now we have updated copy. Now let's see. Yeah. Okay. Now uh, let's follow the step. Now go to next section. Before that, let's see how it works. Okay, let's change it to I think connected here, and refresh it. Okay, now let's change the account. And we have 0.2491 ether here. Let's wave it. Okay, confirm the transaction, and let's see what happened. It's taking time. Okay, so retrieve total wave count. Okay, so let's see here. Here you can see the other transaction just done. Okay. Okay, you can see here that contract has just transferred 0.0001 ether to this address, from which we have just called wave at me. So now it's working perfectly. It's transferring the ether. It's just transferring the ether to the account which are waving at it. Let's wave again to see another transaction. Here it's not completed yet. Let's check. It's taking time. Okay, it's successfully minted, successfully mined, and retrieved wave count is 2. Now refresh this ETA scan to see the transaction. Okay, here it is. You can see the third transaction. Now you can see that it transfer again from this smart contract to the wallet that just called it. Okay, you can also notice that balance is now 0.0008. That was uh, at the time of deployment was 0.001 ether. Okay, so it's detecting the amount from smart contract and transfer it to the account, just calling it. So that's pretty cool. Now let's move on to the next section, which is polish UI and deploy.